How to fix Slack cannot create channel. To fix the Slack cannot create channel issue, first of all, you have to request that a Workspace administrator grant you channel creation permissions, or you can simply ask them to create the channel on your behalf. First things first, if the Create a Channel button is missing or grayed out, you simply have to check the admin restrictions or admin permissions. Workspace owners can restrict who is allowed to create channels to prevent channel clutter, and if your role is set to a regular member or simply guest, an admin may have to toggle the settings to only Workspace owners and admins. You must contact your IT help desk or Slack administrator to temporarily adjust your permissions. And this is how you can fix the Slack cannot create channel issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.